You've been catfished. Yes. Welcome back. This is Catfished, the wig edition. Make sure you keep on watching because I got a lot to say, okay? And I want you to hear. Now, are we familiar with Outre's SleekLay part? This is Shadora in the color DRFF SUNKISS Brown. Now, I love this color. I'm familiar with it because I've purchased Outre Nisha 202, so I thought it was going to give similar tees. But this is not a lace front, so how are we going to lay sleek and flat when we don't have a full lace front? Anyway, I put it on and I automatically felt like I looked like the Braxton's mother. Like I felt like this unit aged me. But stick with me. We're going to keep going. I noticed immediately this unit has a hump, so I went in to try to pluck the parting space, one to clean it up, but to also, help with laying this unit even flatter. I even tried plucking, but you can't do too much because the weft is so close to the hairline. Oh my gosh. But I did the best that I could, because one thing about it, I spent money on this, so we're definitely going to make this work. And I know it might seem as if I'm going in on Outre, but they have so much potential, but these are not the quality of wigs that I'm accustomed to. I wanted this install method to be easy, very beginner friendly, so I'm just tinting the lace with pressed powder, and I'm going to add a bit of the hard head spray, which is not a glue. It can act as an adhesive, but it is a firm hold spray. And I'm using the blow dryer on the cool setting just to help this get a little bit tacky. Because the lace is still a little bit tacky, you're gonna get like that slight meltdown, but it's not going to stick completely. But I am going to put this elastic band on and allow this to set for 10 minutes. Here I'm pushing the elastic band just behind the hairline because I want to trim away the lace, and I'm going to make a cut in the lace right at the middle. You want to break this down into sections. It just makes it a lot easier when you're trimming away the lace. I didn't want to do any baby hairs. You talking about easy? Oh, I took it real easy on y'all. Give me my props, okay? Give me that thumbs up and meet me in the comments for real. Now, I did go in with a few light mists of the hard head spray because I just need the sides at least to stick down. I don't like it to be flapping in the wind. It's windy out here and I'm not trying to be caught out there. Now I let this set while I got my makeup ready, but come on. This makeup was on point today. And so, once I take down these clips, I'm thinking we about to have magic happen because this color is gorgeous. So I took my round brush because I wanted to do something a little different. I didn't want to mess up the curls, but then it started to look like I was messing up the curls. But it's all about how you brush the hair and how you frame your face. But I noticed these curls were a little bit stubborn and they didn't have the sort of S curl that I was imagining, especially when you take it out of the box to when you comb it down. It did not give the same vibes. And I kind of noticed like the bang it's not banging. Like I've watched a few reviews and that bang is not strong for me. I was really trying to work this bang into perfection and I felt like I was losing the battle. Added a little bit of dry shampoo because it was giving shine. I honestly thought this unit was going to have that same texture as the Nisha 202. So when it came out silky, it was a little surprising because on the stock card, it definitely gives that sort of like light, kinky, straight texture. So the silk, again, is throwing me. But I gave y'all glueless. You see that red tail comb going up under that lace? Yeah. And I had to keep trying to finesse that part because you may not see it on camera, but in person, like looking in the mirror, I can see that hump, okay? I'm not trying to do the Humpty Dump, okay? I'm trying to leave that to the dance party, not on my head, okay? Leave me alone. I really want to create some height, create some volume around the bang. Now, would you purchase this wig? If you've purchased her, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below. If you have some tips and tricks, definitely drop them in the comments below because I love hearing from y'all. Okay, now I said I'm gonna give this one more go around, and the bang, it didn't do it for me, okay? I'm heated, and not the type of heated Beyonce was talking about. I'm fuming. I even switched the kind of brush I was using, going for the more conventional paddle brush. And what I found is that when you comb the hair, if you comb it backwards very tightly, that looks somewhat doable. But I'm the type of person, you can see it on my face when I'm not liking it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Color is gorgeous, but that part is so hard. Ooh. So anyway, girl, you know what I did? Y'all gonna laugh. I put a hat on. No, I don't do all of that work for nothing, and the look has to give. And I kind of like this. Some wigs are better off as hat wigs. And one thing about it, I'm gonna get me a little beanie with some fur on the top. I'll have some of my favorite styles linked in the description box on my Amazon storefront, because I want you to slay, because I know you got a couple ugly wigs that need a little revamping, and a hat will do just that. Ooh, it's giving Dr. Seuss up in here. Thank you so much for tuning in to all my shenanigans, because it happens to the best of us. Be sure to subscribe. I want you as part of the family. Give this video a thumbs up. Meet me in the comments. Keep it real in the comments. What's the tea on this wig? I'd love to hear from you. Make sure you take care of yourselves this holiday season, and I'll see you in the next one.